Hello, teacher and everyone. This is my pronunciation workshop. She's reading a book. They're playing in the park. I like to drink coffee in the morning. He works at a hospital. We are studying English today. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. It's snowing outside. My brother is watching television. She wants to travel around the world. We usually eat dinner. The teacher is explaining the lesson. I forgot to bring my notebook. They live in a small apartment. We are going to watch a movie tonight.